Here it is, the 304 with the T19 on it. We got it prepped and ready to go into the chassis. The 1980 Scout here. Setting up the tranny mount and the motor mounts. There we go. He's Jimmy jacking it. Do some manhandling, get it up over the front cross member. Almost in place here. Okay, we got one bolt through the hole, so we're still working on this side, but I'm gonna start this nut so we don't come back out as we're sloshing around. And then right here
we gotta put this
on the transmission mount, it's off a little bit.
We got to get this in here.
Okay, we gotta get that in there. All right, we're gonna keep going. Making a quick adjustment on the transmission mount. Got to take that out to get the shifter linkage in the hole, and then we could put the transmission mount on after we start the motor mount nuts. But you got to be willing to adapt and overcome. All right, we got it, both bolts on through the motor mounts,
I'm gonna take
and we got the transmission mount in the holes. We got to put the bolts on there, but we got that rubber in place between the cross member and the transmission. Both studs of the engine mounts coming through. Oh yeah, don't forget the shifter linkage.
We got that done.
It's in the hole. It is in the hole.
We'll shoot some more grease in it.
So we'll be able to shift gears. How about that? Well, we got the motor and tranny in the chassis. Looks great. This is the 304 International V8 with the 4-speed T19. That's my favorite international tranny. And a Dana 20 2-speed transfer case. And now we're gonna put the Scout away for the night, tuck it in around the side of the garage. Whew, this thing's heavy. Gotta air up the tires. It's hard to move when the tires are kind of flat. And plus we got 800-pound motor, probably 300 pounds worth of tranny transfer case. Oh, Nika. Nika's helping us. I'm gonna air up the tires, it'll roll a little easier. All in a day's work. Well, she's all tucked in for the night. The motor's in it. New front main seal. New rear main seal. All new gaskets. Freeze plugs. And new clutch. New throwout bearing. Looks good in there. Whew.